Welcome back. This is going to be our video for question number 5 of our sequence quiz number 1 quiz review. Make sure you catch the first 4 videos and of course video number 6. The formula for the nth term of the sequence 3, -6, 2, -24, 48 is, well, again, the nth term of this sequence, it's not going to be arithmetic. But why do we know this? Because arithmetic would mean in this case you'd have -6 minus 3 would equal to 12 minus -6. And we see -9 and 18 are not equal to each other. However, we see here that maybe it's a geometric sequence. So we'll take a look at, again, A2 over A1. Does that equal to A3 over A2? Or equal to A4 over A3, and so on and so forth. So we see in this case, we'll take is -6 over 3 equal to 12 over -6 equal to -24 over 12. And we can continue on with -48 over -24. We get the same thing. We get -2. And this will be our common ratio R. So R equals -2. Our formula we're going to use is going to be for a geometric sequence, because it's a geometric sequence. Again, we're multiplying each number by the common ratio, -2, to get the next number. Notice how it would multiply -24 by -2 to get 48. And if we continued on, we did 48 times -2, get -96, and so on and so forth. To find the nth term, we're going to use our formula here of A sub n equals A1 times R raised to the n minus 1. And so we have our R value, because really all we need is the R value, which we have, and we have the first term, A1 is 3. So we're going to plug in here so that A sub n is equal to 3 times -2 raised to the n minus 1 power. The problem is we can't leave it this way because we want to find the nth term. Yeah, we could, but we want to find in terms of n, right? Not really not n minus 1. So what it comes down to is we have to simplify this exponent. And so when you have the two exponents subtracting each other, we learned previously in our rules of exponents that if we have x raised to the a minus b, this is the same as x to the a over x to the b. We actually saw the reverse, but it works both ways because they're equal to each other. So this would mean in this case that this rule can be explained as a to the n equals 3 times -2 to the nth power over -2 to the first power. And so we can take this numerator and this denominator and put it together to get our final rule, in this case, a sub n equals -3 over 2 times -2 to the nth power. And this is going to be our nth term. And this is what we're looking for. So on your quiz, you're going to have to do the same thing. I don't want the exponent to be n minus 1. All right? I want it to be some base raised to the nth power. And you have to figure out a way to be able to reconcile this, okay? Which really is going to be dividing your A1 term by the base. So that's really what this ends up becoming. Okay? All right, any questions? Well, normally in the class you'd be able to ask questions though, but your questions could be asked in the comment section below for questions and comments. I look forward to hearing any comments you have. And in this case, I know some of you guys are going to probably want to watch it again, how I do this and all. Is there another way, another example? Definitely we'll watch maybe another video, okay? This is the end of question number 5. Make sure if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you for video number 6.